Today you will be learning how you can easily update Canva to the latest version on your phone. Make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, first of all you'll have to go to the settings of your phone, and to do that you'll have to swipe up and tap on this gear icon. Now all you'll have to do is to scroll down all the way and then tap on apps section. Now you'll be taken to the apps section, and in this list you'll have to look for Canva, and once you've found Canva you'll have to tap on it. Now you'll have to tap on storage, and what you'll have to do is to tap on clear cache. Basically it will help you clear all the cache files that are just taking space on your phone and slowing it down. Now go back one step and scroll down to the bottom, then tap on app details in store. Now it will take you to the Google Play Store where you'd be able to find an option of updating Canva to the latest version. In my case I have already done that. All you will have to do is to simply tap on that update option to get all the latest features and updates of Canva, and you'll be good to go. And that's all about this video. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel. Like the video, and if you got stuck anywhere, let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely help you out.